We're set. Let me share you my screen. And if you have any question, just write down in the chat and we can take a look at it. Okay. Let's start. Bitcoin. No, wait. Let's start from the macro. All right. So, guys, this is the situation on USDT dominance. It's a bit bearish to be honest. But this is what I like. If you remember, last time, yes, it's expecting it, but we had the setup and we played the Bitcoin setup. We have stop loss break even, so if we get stopped there, no problem. Then we can see also the 98K, no problem. If you remember, we had this red line at 5.66% last streaming, exactly this where we had this resistance. We got a rejection again. We are creating this trend line. Now we are trying to breaking up, but if we can go down here and retest it and go down, would be very, very cool for every single coin on the market. Similar thing on stable coin dominance. If you remember, we had this trend line, this line acting as support. Okay, this one. We deviated below, we retested, and we are trying to break out this trend. And at the same time here, I would like to have this as USDT dominance, maybe a bit of compression, and then down here. This is my main bouncing area for stable coin dominance. And then we have Toto. Look, do you remember what we had last stream? This blue box. We perfectly touched this box and we got rejected. So now this is what we want for a continuation higher, taking this liquidity and this liquidity here. This would be bullish. This would be in line with this scenario on stablecoin dominance and this scenario on USDT dominance. So this is how you have a general view of the situation at the moment. So let's move on what we had here. So first entry today on Bitcoin. Great sniping. What was the aim of that call? Get out of the way this low here. We got a perfect entry here. We took profit here. And then the position died. Then what happened? We formed on our golden area this peak here. All right. And we had some POCs to play with. I gave you another entry where I DCA'd a bit and my entry price is around here. All right. And again, we had a bullish divergence on a bull div on 30, 15, 5 minutes. This one and this one. And on 1 minute. Here, 1 and 1. So all aligned. We had our entry. We DCA'd a bit. Now we have stop loss break even and the position it's up 71% on leverage. All right. Similar setup, but I didn't want to give you too much. Look, ADA, same one. Peak, bull div on POCs, 75 area, up. I already have stop loss break even. Another one, same, 75 area. This is level 75 from this low here to this high here. We had also maybe the POC here. No, it's up there. Okay, never mind. But we have this cluster of POC, peak, div, up. All right. These were the main three setup. I just wanted to give you Bitcoin. That is the most solid one. I didn't want to risk anything. So we had Solana doing great with a great first take profit, Bitcoin today with a great take profit, and another Bitcoin now with stop loss break even. Let it run. So we can go to 98K. Yes, of course. What do we have on 98K? Let me show you. This, let's start. Okay, this one here. This one here. We have this low here that we can, let me just use another chart so we can make it from blank. Okay, there we go. No, this is not the correct one. Sorry, this one. Okay, so okay, so this is the low that people are talking about of 98K this week here. All right. Yeah, it's possible to, if we go here, because at the same time you have this eye here. This, oh shit, this eye here. Okay. So this is a very solid area. If we get down here, I wouldn't expect a perfect bounce here. All right. I would like to have something like this and then up with a deviation below this level. So if we get to 98K, I wouldn't be surprised if we go down like at 95, 94, to be honest. All right. Where we have this demand here. At the same time, I don't think it's in line with our golden pocket on Fibonacci. Yeah, it's way... Okay, never mind. It's way down the Fibonacci. Maybe if we can, but I don't know, to be honest. What is it here? From here to here, maybe. I don't know. Maybe let's go on higher time frame. Yes, maybe this would be maybe the trigger. I don't know. In this case, I would like to wait to get to this level and then decide, looking at the order flow, what do we have at that time. For now, we are pumping 87% on leverage. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. We have stop loss break even. Yes, I already told you. Oh, bluff. Got so much spot backs with every dip. It's very, very good, to be honest. It's very, very cool. All right. Because we are in a good moment to accumulate spot, in my opinion, overall on alts. Because a lot of alts have a lot of room to play with. I wouldn't go far away from this main list here. All right. Because I took these names from I think like the top 30 or top 50 on CoinGecko. Yeah, here. Okay, I took these names here, and I wouldn't go far away from these names here, to be honest. These are the major ones that could have a great run, in my opinion. Let me see why do we have this big green candle? Let me just see. Okay, something strange is happening on Trading Light, guys. Never mind. Okay, so I have this website. I think it's cool. Look, this website is cool because it gives you a lot of crypto indices. All right. It's called the block.co, and you can really understand where flow goes to, where the liquidity flow to. Okay, you have a lot of things like Bitcoin ETFs. You can see the inflows on Bitcoin ETFs. Ethereum, Solana 2, XRP, and crypto ETFs in general. And I think this is very interesting, in my opinion, to see where the liquidity is going. You also see the futures and spot accumulation, of course. October has been way better than November, as you can see. Look at the sending we had in the last year, and look at where we are with prices. Okay, so imagine when we have a raise of this volume on Bitcoin futures, where we can get to. All right, remember, futures are the one that moves the prices on the market. All right, so Don, what we have, let's go back on TradingView. TradingView. Let's open this chart. Wait, what kind of invalidation would be looking for selling spot bag in a loss? That's a tough question, bro. I mean, it depends. It depends on the coin, to be honest. If you're talking about XPL or Aster or any kind of shitcoin like that, you have a clear loss of a level. If we are talking about Bitcoin, I would say no invalidation, even for Ethereum, even for BNB, XRP, and Solana, and maybe Tau. No, maybe Tau for sure, and maybe Sui. Okay, because these coins are very important for the market. They also have a lot of utilities as coin in their roadmap. Okay, I'm not an expert in it, but in these coins, you just need to buy the lows. Okay, if you have, I know, 10K, don't go with 10K at the first dip. Okay, maybe go with 1, maybe 1.5, and then you go again with a second dip with 2K, then again 2K, and so on. So you can, DCA for sure on every coin you want to buy. You can have a different portfolio of a different coin holding, and that is the smartest thing to do, in my opinion. But if you go with major, I don't like to have any validation. All right, I mean, even if Bitcoin, for example, goes to like here 85K, I would buy 7K, I would buy 40K, I would buy all these level, guys, because imagine if we are up here. If we go down here, I'm sure we can get above here again, 100%. We'll never see again Bitcoin at $10, to be honest. Okay, because it would be like we are here, like more or less 95%, 96% of loss. I mean, guys, we have ETFs, we have bank, we have industries investing in cryptos. So yeah, maybe if it goes to 1K, guys, I would like to buy like 10 Bitcoin, to be honest. 50 Bitcoin, that would be amazing. What do we have here? Pump. All right, let's try to chart pump for now. I don't think it's nothing important. Duke. Oh, front running. Maybe we don't have we would have these POCs here. These two POCs. It's a Coinbase. Oh, two Coinbases. All right. Okay, guys, any question? Let me know if you want to see something particular. Meanwhile, yeah, I have something for you that is DOT. Look at this setup on DOT. Take it in mind. Okay, so we have our expansion, okay, with this accumulation here, with our POC of point of control of the expansion here, okay, 75 level on Fibonacci. Let me clear it up for you. We have here 75 level on Fibonacci. Okay, here, look, POC in line with 75 Fibonacci. What I would like to see, we get back to the POC of the expansion down here, absorption and up. TP1, TP2, boom, back here, up. All right, so keep an eye on DOT. Let's wait, I'll tag you if we have the right trigger to enter it. That's one. Then what we have, Zen. Wow, Zen is pumping. Zen is pumping. Yeah, I talked in a previous stream about this level. It's flipping it and it's going up. CPI and PPI on 30 or 40. So it's tomorrow and Friday. At what time? Oh my gosh, this is my neck, guys. With Bitcoin, yeah, as I told you, we had ADA and XRP. That is going good. I didn't play XRP, even if it was good. I'm playing just with Bitcoin and ADA, 6 p.m. ish. I think you want to say East. Yeah, thank you, bro. What we have here, nothing special, far away from our POC cluster. Okay. Okay. Ave, I don't know how to call it. If it goes down here, would be interesting, to be honest. Maybe a sweep of this low here. Let's see the POC of the expansion. Meanwhile, guys, I'm trying to explain you how I think in front of the chart, in line the POC with the expansion. So yeah, let's set an alert here. Yeah, expecting a rate cut, but to be honest, I think they are already priced in, bro. So nothing, no surprise, in my opinion. So even here, guys, same as DOT, we would like to have a bounce on the POC down here, maybe getting away of this low, and would be a sweep of the value area low. What we could do here, let's place our first entry here on 75 level. All right, stop loss down here. So you can go with a first entry here, second entry here, third entry here. So in general, your average entry price would be like around here. Okay, and look how much it changed from 2.47 to 3.94. I mean, with this one. So from 3.6 to 5.5, guys. Almost double. We are 1.5 more than the first entry. That's why you always need to DCA. So for example, now I gave you the Bitcoin entry at 100, 100, what entry gave you? Oh yeah, 101, 200, and now my entry is 101K. Yeah, 101K. So always DCA, guys. It's very, very important to DCA if you want to have a better entry price. So don't go all in at the first entry. And you could say, yes, but what if it just take the first entry and then goes up? Guys, profit are profit. So no worries for it. Profits are profit. You want to say something special, guys? Because there's not so much interesting at the moment on the market. This is another example. As you can see, we got back here on the POC on the golden in the golden pocket. I didn't play H bar, but if I had played it, I would place my entry on this POC here with maybe wider stop here. I would have played something like this on H bar. And I would have already stop loss break even on it. Why? Because on 30 minutes, our bull div is confirmed. That's going good. Bitcoin 2. And yeah. Anything else, guys? I don't think I have something more here interesting. Farcoin, as you can see, same setup. I really wanted Farcoin to hold this level, but it didn't, to be honest. Very, very weak. Very weak. We have this trend line, but we had a bearish retest on it and then down. Not the best scenario, in my opinion. So now we have still on the order book this big block on Bitcoin of, let me see, 419, 223, and 212 Bitcoin on 100K. Yeah, more or less. Let's see if we can defend that position and maybe get the range high again at a great first TP at 105K and 107.5K. Could you walk through stick to start? Could you walk through stick to start? First time watching your stream. What do you mean, Tekken? Explain me and I can answer you. What do you mean exactly? Hi, Kanjan. I'm fine. You? How are you? How are you? Ah, to the strat. Okay, this one. No. This is just a reminder for me to. This is a custom text box. It's an indicator you can find. I just wrote down this one that are my rules and help me to keep the right mindset on the chart, to be honest. And it was a bit high here, as you can see. It goes high, so I placed a space here, and this is what I want. I have my golden pocket that is from here to here. Okay, so this level here. This is my golden pocket. I want the POCs and I want the divergence like this on the chart. And let's imagine you have, okay, look, you have here. Let's move all these. Oh shit. Let's move like here. Okay. So imagine you have this on the price, this on the RSI. This is a bull div, as you can see, bull div, and it goes up. Bear market or bull market, to be honest, I don't care, bro. I never cared about bull or bear market. I'm always here to play with levels and use this coin just to take some profits, nothing more. I think the only one that deserve attentions are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Stop. These three. Nothing more. I don't care about top or bottom, to be honest. You're welcome. So if you have a strat, you can even use this custom text box and write down a bit reminder for you. It's like a post-it, motivational post-it, to remember me that if I want to trade this kind of strat, I need to stick to this. Otherwise, we have like the Monday range strat or the range strat and so on. We have different strategies, but for this one, with all these POCs you see here, I stick to these rules. Okay. So just to summarize a bit, we checked we checked stablecoin dominance, USDT dominance total. We saw Bitcoin, Ethereum, nothing interesting in my opinion now. Okay, we're still down, way down to the Monday range. This is the Monday range, we're way down. I would like to have Bitcoin, Ethereum a bit down here, to be honest, taking away this low here. My minimum RR target in a trade, I would say 1-2 maybe. Yeah, 1-2. But for example, this one we are playing with Bitcoin. That could, if it goes here in full profit, it's a 7 RR. 7 RR, but my entry price now it's better at. Let me see where it is. On the other screen. Oh, here. So let me copy and paste. Oh shit, it doesn't work. 923.4. Okay, if it goes as it is, would be 12.47 R. So imagine that if you didn't DCA on my call, look at the difference on the R, on risk reward ratio. 7.8 instead of 12.4 RR. Pretty cool, huh? So always remember to DCA, guys. Always, always, always. If given, obviously. If given. We swept again this low here. We still have that box, guys. We need to get here, here, and up here, for fuck's sake. I want to make some profits. I don't want to go away with few bucks. It's stressful to play in this market, to be honest. All right, guys, let me know if you have any question. This is still one of the things I want to see on XRP. Oh my gosh, so tired. Need to rest a bit, guys. 12 hours on the chart today. 13 hours on the charts today. For fuck's sake. I'm tired. I'm starting to think to switch to like this. It's a bit calmly, more calmly for me. I don't know. I will see. Maybe yes. So it's better for my eyes because they are crying at the moment. All right, so Bitcoin is pumping. Let's go. Let's fucking go, as American people say. Good. All right, guys. So if you don't have any question, guys, I wish you a great night. We have stop loss break even on Bitcoin. If you want, you can also take profits whenever you want. If you are satisfied, remember, always reward yourself. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any question, as always, guys, tag me wherever you want, crypto chatter, beginners, whatever you want. I'm always available to answer you. All right, guys, thank you so much. I wish you a great night. Bye, guys. Thank you.